intervene. Thank you.
Okay, it is your show. I cannot conclude your show.
Okay, so out of us.
Thank you very much. I promise this time, Chukwuti, I'll be very short. Look, on behalf of the Ambazonia Governing Council, on behalf of Dr. Cho Lucas Ayaba, look, it is a privilege to me to witness the foundation of Biafra. My respect, sir. I feel like I have a gold medal on my chest today.
Yes.
Because they laid a good foundation for us, not only for Biafra, but for Africa. I want to say I listened to all of them and I was very touched. When my mother died, I was so emotional, but I couldn't have tears running down my cheeks. But when they spoke, she would testify, I couldn't hold it. I couldn't hold it. And if there is anybody seated here who didn't feel what I felt, then that person, there's something else. So I just want to say thank you so much for your services. Thank you for your sacrifice. And as you have witnessed this present generation, your children, they are here to make you proud. And they have made you proud. The Biafran revolution, you people would have succeeded if the zoo did not call their brother from Cameroon, Amadou Ahijo, to block the border in Ambazonia. They sent gendarmes and they blocked the border in Ambazonia and used food as weapon of war. They used food as a weapon of war. And when Biafran soldiers were pushed back and they were running towards Ambazonia, the Cameroon gendarmes shot them down, all of them, because of their Fulani brothers, Amadou Ahijo and the president that was there. But this generation, thanks to your defense chairman here and the prime minister, Biafra and Ambazonia, we closed that border. We are already there. Thank you, we don't have time. Thank you, we don't have time. Never again. It is never again. It is not the never again like in the UN. It is the never again like the two of us. We are going to make sure that that border is ours to control. Because when the right drum meets the right beater, they play good music for idiots to dance. And the idiots will be Cameroon and the zoo. They will dance from us, we will not dance from them again.
Thank you. Thank you. All right, Biafrans, you guys know why we're here. Because of these men and women that experienced atrocities during the Civil War. I thank you all veterans and all the children of veterans that are here for your service. I thank you all, but it will never happen again. Because of what my brother from Ambazonia just said, that area where they used to block our children from receiving foods, that has been removed. We have removed it, so now we occupy that area for ourselves and make sure that no Biafran state soldiers, terrorist soldiers, occupy that area again. So I thank you all. Because of you, we are here. You started it, and we just finished it. Biafra is here. Thank you, Biafrans. Thank you.